going to be a reading for almost personal, all signs collective. So all that I need to know about your person moving forward. So let's start. Hope you guys are doing well. What are you guys going to be going through? I'm not going to take any reversals today. Straight off to the reading. So what are you guys going to be going through for the next 72 hours? Okay. So King of Wands, I see you trying to find your passion back in life. Okay. In the recent past, you guys could have gone through an ending. If it's not an ending in terms of relationship, I mean, you guys have come to a conclusion. Like, something is not right, and you are seeing it now. Okay. Something that was that some ending that you were not willing to accept or willing to see. You guys are finally ready for it now. Okay. One more card. What else do we see coming for you people? Okay, with 10 of Wands, you guys could be a little like burdened with work. Okay, some of you guys feel a bit heavy. Okay, when it comes to your personal life, emotional life, with the Moon card, I mean, you have lots to speak. You have, I mean, you have lots to open up about, but you are not very sure if you should be opening up or I mean, you should keep things within. Okay, so there are certain things that you wish to open up to certain people, but you are second guessing it now. Okay. One more card. What else do we see coming up? With the Hermit card, I believe right now many of you guys could be feeling bit ghosted or bit, like someone I mean, you feel alone. Okay, to be very honest, you feel alone. Okay, like you feel like no one gets you, no one understands you. Okay, your person or whoever you are interested in, they are still coming off like a player. They have no, so I would say intentions of a strong commitment. They're still coming off and going again, and that makes you feel more bad, more. I mean, more vulnerable, more taken for granted. Okay. In terms of the connection, one card for the connection, please. In terms of the connection is causing you more pain than anything else. Okay, it's like every day you stay or be a part of it, it's causing you more problems, it's hurting you more, it's killing you more. Okay, I believe there is silence right now. I believe there is no communication. I mean, you are on your last, like you are not willing to be a part of it long term. Reason being, it's so painful. Okay, it's like you are completely done with it, but not completely moving on or completely, closing the door to it. I mean, you are like in that. Energy where you feel like it's done, it's over, I should move on, but you haven't completely closed the door. Okay, one more card in terms of your person. Your person is closed off. I don't see them like possibly opening up or possibly reaching out. They are holding back. it's, it's like they came back, but they rather came back for themselves. It's like they came back for reassurance. Okay, like they wanted to know if you still want them or not. They wanted to know if you still like them or not. Okay, and it's like if you want them, that validates them, that makes them believe that they are good enough, and that's a very toxic trait to have. Okay, one more card in terms of their energy towards you. In terms of their energy towards you, we have Five of Cups. It's like they miss you, but they're not willing to do anything about it. Okay, they're still very focused on what went wrong. Okay, in the recent past, they were breadcrumbing you, to which maybe you guys gave no attention, or you guys were done with it. You guys did not want that. I mean, you guys wanted more, definitely, but they were not willing to. And right now, there's silence going on between the two of you. Even if there has been communication, it's just me or hi, hello, bullshit. Okay, one more card. In terms of how do they think about you now? How do they really think about you? With Four of Swords, right now, this person does want to, heal the connection, fix the connection, but they are not ready to act on it. They are still holding back. They are still not putting in that necessary effort that they have to in order to get somewhere. Okay, one card for what's blocking them, Spirit. What's really blocking them? Eight of Swords. Maybe for some of you, your person is stuck in a third party situation where they are completely not done with the third person. They have to let go of the third person in order to come towards you. If it's not a third party, if many of you guys don't have a third party, then I believe that your person is stuck in their thoughts. Like, what if this doesn't work? What if this goes back to the old ways? Where there's a false start, then it goes back to the toxic shitty relationship that it was. Okay, I'm not saying it is shitty because of you. It is shitty because your person was breadcrumbing you. You know, a relationship is always about partnership, both having to give equal in order to make it last. If one is going to be giving everything and the other is just going to take, it's eventually bound to fail. Okay, one card for what's really blocking this person from coming towards you. Strength card, resistance, ego, pride. Okay, why me? Why can't they reach out? That sort of mentality. Okay, they're still waiting on you to reach out. Okay, and that is not serving this relationship. One more card in terms of their feelings, but how do they truly feel? And feelings, always we have two of cups. They know that you are their second, you are their other half, you are their person, you complete them. But the problem is, if they won't take action, if they're still going to be in and live in their ego and their messed up mindset, it's not going to go further. Okay, one card for what's going on in their heart space. What's really going on in their heart space, please? In their heart space as well, with the world card, they know that you are their person, that you complete them, that you are their world. But the problem is, they haven't taken action, or they haven't made anything to make you believe that. Okay, one more card in terms of how do they view you now, how do they truly view you. In terms of how do they view you, I still believe that, this person knew that you were the one, but they still let themselves confuse, and get confused, thanks to the other suitors that they had, or other options that they had. Okay, even if you were the one, they still let the other options get in the way, and that has very much kind of messed up the connection. Okay, one card for how do they view the partnership, or how do they view the bond that you guys share. They may also feel like you are not very open to them now, with Seven of Cups. They may feel like you are confused whether you should take action, hold back, or give up. With the Tower card, they feel like there has been a fallout, like between the two of you. Like, you guys are not together. Like, energetically, physically, you guys are not together. You guys have fallen apart. Okay. One card for their intentions towards you. King of Swords, please clarify the King of Swords. To be very honest, they still want to act like a bitch. Okay, with Wheel of Fortune in the reverse, they still do not want to put in that effort. Rather, just act like a bitch, act detached, act unbothered, and just be a part of it. One card for what can you guys expect in this connection? What can you guys possibly expect in this connection? I still believe you guys are going to remain at crossroads with this person. Reason being, this person is not willing to change, nor put in that necessary effort to get somewhere. Okay, one card for where this is going for now. Where do we see this connection going for now? I still believe there is going to be late communication, like maybe in couple of days. But you guys are going to have an option. Okay, with Ace of Swords, there is going to be some bits of communication coming your way. With the Lovers card, you guys are going to have an option to choose them or to drop them. But majorly, I think, I do not know why I'm getting this, but due to someone's effort, there will be some sort of coming together. Okay, one card for what do they want with you now? What do they truly want with you? I mean, they still want this to go on. I do not know what sort of relationship this is. This is hardly a relationship. This is. I mean, this is isn't even a situationship. Whatever you guys have right now, I mean, they want to continue being a part of it. Okay, one more card as to what do they truly wish to offer you. It's clear that they don't want you to give up on them. Okay, like what do they want with you? I would say with three of wands, they want more time, but they want to get somewhere, but I do not know when. I mean, they are still not putting in that effort. So for many of you, if this relationship isn't serving you, if you have an option to choose between yourself and this relationship, which is hardly a situationship, please choose yourself, because I don't see this shit going smooth. Okay, I don't mean to be negative. Honestly speaking, if I speak good stuff, sugar coated stuff, I get more likes. If I speak negative shit, people don't like to watch it. But I try to be honest as possible. I don't want to, simply make people believe in something that might not go their way. Okay, so what else should you be knowing about this person? Holding back. Yeah, holding back. Definitely holding back. One more card. Let them sort their issues. You hold back. I mean, that's what I'm trying to tell you. You don't take action. You don't put in effort. It's their. I mean, it's their place to put in that necessary effort now. Okay. One more card as to where things will be going the next couple of days. I mean, they are going to put enough effort to keep this surviving somehow, but that doesn't mean they are going to fix it completely. They still want you, but they are not willing to commit to you. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Okay, right now you guys are on different levels, and that is very much going to get in the way. Okay, and there may be also karmic blockages, like they have involved another person, or they have made a mindset of not really having a possible commitment. So that sort of things could be getting in the way. So this was your reading for Almost Personal, All Signs Collective. Okay, so if it resonated, kindly hit the like button. Do let me know in the comment section. And all those who want a personal reading, please do reach out on my website or on my WhatsApp or on my Instagram, and you could let me know. I'm also going to be doing phone call readings only through WhatsApp. Okay, I don't do other phone call reads because I live in India and the time difference is lots. So I'm also going to be doing Instagram chat readings, which I'm going to be just going to be possibly starting this very week. Okay, so do let me know if you're interested in one. And if you are a Libra, I've done the Libra next 72 hours. It's up on Etsy for purchase for $2.99. I've gone into every detail, okay, or as to what you could expect and where things are going and what you need to know. So if you're interested, please book one for yourself or purchase one for yourself. Thank you so much for coming in, for taking the time to watch this video. Please do hit the like button, support the channel through your subscribe, your follow, your comment, your likes. Okay, if you're on Instagram, come follow me on Instagram on Divine Soul Guidance. If you are a Libra, Libra vibes only. If you're a Scorpio, Scorpio vibes only. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.